Hi girls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny Penton, founder of Planner Perfect. And in today's video, it's the Christmas Planner Perfect subscription box reveal. Stay tuned. This one is always a happy, fun one. I always have fun bringing you new artwork to my planners and journals every single month, and this month is no exception. I had a lot of fun with this one for sure. A lot of new artwork is making an appearance. And one of the journals is with watercolor, and the main planner one is using acrylic. So I had a lot of fun. I really wanted it to be festive. I'm still loving the red theme. Without further ado, let's take a peek. Hey girls, let's go ahead and open it up. If you're new, welcome. This is the Planner and Journal subscription box with Planner Perfect. I'm the founder and the artist behind the brand, and I'm going to be showing you and revealing to you, it's a sneak peek. For those of you who don't want to see it and have it be a surprise, then either close your eyes or log off now, because here I go. It comes in our beautiful teal box or turquoise, and then when you open it up, you get this cute little card saying that your monthly subscription box is here. I'll be sure to leave down all the information down below so that you can get started on our box. And good news, today is the cutoff date for the December Christmas box. If you want it, you have today until midnight Central Standard Time to get in on this box. So let's go ahead and get started. Usually I start with the planner and journal, but I'm going to go ahead and start with the accessories first, okay? So we can just have a little drum roll at the end. But here is my the washi tape. So the washi tape is also, majority of it will be my artwork as well. Sometimes I'll opt for some graphics, but here we've got, this is my angel. And look, I put stars behind her for this creation of washi tape. And I just am madly in love about how that turned out. This is also what I did was I did use black in some of the Christmas themes, so red and black and white and all of that. So this is more of a black, red, white tartan. And so it's kind of hard to see behind the cellophane here, but it's gorgeous. I'm actually even going to open it up because I really want you to take a look at it. There, I think you can kind of really get a good look at that black tartan. It is stunning and I love it so much. And I think it just really all complements each other. And then you've got Holly Jolly on there. Isn't that just so cute? We've got a little bit of blue. You're going to see this even in the planner, or not in the planner, but in the journal. So I really try to use some of my other pieces of work, bring it into this years and in fun and in different ways a lot of times, so we don't miss a beat, because we really only get to use these once a year. And I think these make a really wonderful addition to your planning. Now, girls do not have the tip-ins. They are not available yet. So that's going to be your surprise. So I wanted to get this off by the tip-in or the cutoff date, so the tip-ins will be a surprise for you. So before I get into the stickers, they have a lot of what is on the planner and journal. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you the planner and the journal. So here they are. Okay, we've got watercolor of a Christmas globe with a beautiful little red like a barn. And then we have Santa Claus. It's a wrap. So if you can see the black and the red here, but let me just open up the book. Is he not the cutest? He really turned out good, I think. So I love him. And I wrapped him so you get the full effect of your Santa. I just feel like opening him up for your December planning is going to give you all the vibes. You know, I just absolutely love him. So let's get a closer look. Here is the winter Christmas globe. Again, this is an acrylic. You've got some of the trees, some snow. I just loved how it turned out, and the globe. And then I designed this with snowflakes for the background saying Merry Christmas. Here is the back. Gorgeous. I love everything to go well together. So as you can see how beautiful this goes. Let's take a closer look at Santa. Again, this is acrylic. He's got his coat, his beard all, you know, cute and gray. Write a better story, girls. Write a better story. There is that with your washi. Remember the tip bins, they're beautiful. You're going to love them. And the calendar is oh so cute. Let's take a look at the stickers. I love them. So here, let's take a look at the first set of washi. You get 2 of each, so you'll have 4 here, which is fun. You'll have plenty for the whole month. We've got Mr. Santa here. We've got, this is a little new piece in here. It's a little bit of just some holly. Put Merry Christmas on the washi black tartan plaid. This is new art here, which looks so pretty. We put joy. We've got joy in the tartan red. We brought back my Christmas tree from last year. We've got Joy to the World. This is an older piece that I absolutely always love bringing back. And then this is new, this little Christmas barn. So there's that. And then on this one, so cute, we've got the angel, we've got the snow globes, we've got the holly here again, we've got my light bulbs from last year, we've got the nutcracker and snowman, and of course this angel as well, which was a really great hit one year for Christmas. So girls, there you have it, okay? And I think what's fun is that you'll have one element of surprise when you open up that box. You've got your calendar. You'll get a little cute December calendar. And you'll have other tip-ins with artwork on them to be able to give away, to keep for yourself. They make really beautiful, you know, to like punch a hole in them, put them as little gift tags, put on wine bottles. Girls, there you have it. Merry Christmas, and remember, today's the cutoff. If you have not subscribed already to the box, you have till today. Let me know what you think below.